Hey everyone, if you're building a site in Card and your elements are just stacking on top of each other, you need to master columns. In 2026, using columns within containers is the best way to create side-by-side layouts for portfolios, features, or team sections. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to add and resize them perfectly. Let's get into it. Step 1. Add a container element. First, open your card editor. Click the plus Add Element button in the top right or bottom of your section. Select Container from the menu. By default, this will appear as a single full-width box. Drag it to wherever you want your side-by-side content to live. Step 2. Switch the container type to columns. With your new container selected, look at the Properties panel on the left. Under the Type dropdown, change it from Default to Columns. Card will immediately split that container into two equal parts. You'll now see Column 1 and Column 2 appear in your sidebar list. Step 3. Resize and customize column widths. Now let's get that perfect balance. Click on the Columns tab in the Properties panel. You'll see a slider or percentage box for each column. If you want a sidebar look, try setting Column 1 to 30% and Column 2 to 70%. Pro tip: if you need more space, click the plus Add button at the bottom of the list to add a third, fourth, or even fifth column. Card will automatically recalculate the percentages to fit 100% of the width. Step 5. Populate your columns. Now for the fun part. Simply drag any existing element like an image, text, or button and drop it directly into one of the columns. You can further adjust the alignment, top, middle, bottom within the column settings to make sure your text stays perfectly centered next to your images. Step 6. Check mobile responsiveness. In 2026, mobile traffic is everything. Click the mobile icon at the top of the card editor. By default, Card stacks columns on mobile, so they are easy to read. If you want them to stay side by side, even on phones, go to the mobile settings in the sidebar and switch it to manual to lock in your custom widths. Mastering columns is the quickest way to make a basic card site look like a high-end custom build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.